The ASHA workers are virtually the spine of rural healthcare system. They become the single point of contact in case of several health needs in the country, be it immunization, be it delivery, or whatever it may be. But the point remains is that the kind of a remuneration or the compensation which the ASHA workers get is extremely meager, and on many occasions does not even fulfill the criteria of minimum wages that are being laid down in the country. And in the process what happens, not only they get affected, but the service or the purpose for which they are supposed to act also get diluted. So my submission before you to the government is that please do take cognizance of the issues that are being faced by ASHA workers in the country, which are 9 lakh plus in numbers, and allocate a fixed sum or a fixed remuneration in addition to the variable packages which they get, and also introduce certain social security measures like Provident Fund, ESI and pension for all the ASHA workers.